Sir, your campaign slogan is Bagong Boses, Bagong Bukas. But your critics are saying that it's the same Villar family. The Villar family has been in the government. So how can you be a new voice and a new future?
Yes, actually I've heard that a lot. So yes, yung aming pamilya ay matagal nang nasa public service at hindi ko naman nakikitang problema yon kasi in fact, ang mga magulang ko ang naging inspirasyon ko para maging public servant. They're the ones who taught me the importance of na magpakumbaba, magsipag at tiyaga para umasenso so that we can support the businesses and to help as many people as we can. However, ako, belonging to the millennial generation, iba na yung mundong kinalakihan ko. Meron ng marami ng advancements in technologies, marami ng advancements and changes around the world na I feel we have to input in our legislations and in our programs. For example, in our educational sector, yung ating mga kabataan, in addition to giving them scholarships, we should examine. Baka dapat bigyan sila ng libreng tablet, pati na rin ang ating mga guro. That should be part of our curriculum and part of our educational program because moving forward, how do we make yung ating mga estudyante and yung ating mga graduates competitive para magkaroon sila ng trabaho kung wala silang libro or wala silang mga tablets, diba? So, there are a lot of innovations na dapat ipasok natin. So, yun yung bagong pananaw, bagong aksyon, at bagong solusyon na ina-advocate ko kasi I belong to a younger generations. So, yes, yung mga problema na nais natin i-address katulad ng unemployment, yung pagdagdag ng trabaho, hindi sapat na kita, o kaya yung pagtaas ng presyo ng bilihin, palagi na natin pinag-uusapan yan. Yung plight of the overseas Filipinos, panahon pa ng papa ko, pinag-uusapan natin yan. Pero baka ngayon, meron na tayong mga bagong solusyon na pwedeng i-add. At yan that's what I want to bring to the table.
Ma'am, isa rin po sa mga